Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, bright side roof rails, 18-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, command view dual-pane panoramic sunroof, foot-activated hands-free power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5623.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.